Welcome to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services video on how to complete the Section 1135 Medicaid and CHIP waiver request form. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services must be able to review and approve Medicaid program waivers and flexibilities under Section 1135 of the Social Security Act judiciously during a natural disaster or public health emergency. In a declared natural disaster or public health emergency, Section 1135 waivers can assist healthcare providers and suppliers in providing timely health care and services and continued access to care for individuals with Medicaid and CHIP. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services developed a streamlined process to approve standardized Medicaid 1135 waiver requests to ensure timely responses to the needs of states, U.S. territories, and the District of Columbia. If your state Medicaid or CHIP agency needs to request an 1135 waiver, you will submit an electronic 1135 Medicaid and CHIP request form using CMS's 1135 waiver and flexibility request and inquiry form portal. Please navigate to the 1135 waiver and flexibility request and inquiry form portal at the listed URL on either your computer or mobile device browser. Chrome is the recommended browser. Firefox is also preferred. However, Edge and Safari are also supported. If you're submitting an 1135 Medicaid waiver request for the COVID-19 PHE, please continue to use the current process. The portal should be used for newly declared PHEs. The user-friendly form in the portal opens up sequentially as you complete each step, and a red asterisk marks all the required fields. Before you get started, please note the system times out after 30 minutes of inactivity. There is a 5-minute warning after 25 minutes have passed. Your data will be lost if not submitted in a timely manner. The first question in the request form asks, what would you like to do? You will select the I want to submit a waiver flexibility request. In Section 1, Submit a waiver flexibility request, select a public health emergency from the drop-down list. In Section 2, provide your contact information. Complete the point of contact fields with your information. The fields in the section are all mandatory except for the phone number field. You will need to confirm your email address by retyping it. Do not copy and paste from the previously entered email address. Next, enter your first name, then enter your last name. Enter your phone number. While this is an optional field, we strongly recommend that you complete this field to help us contact you should there be a need. The following section captures your organization's information. Begin by entering the organization's name, which will be the state Medicaid or CHIP agency's name. Select your state, U.S. territory, or federal district. Next, select Medicaid or CHIP agency as your organization category. In the background section, make the appropriate selection or selections. You will choose I want to submit a general waiver for Medicare waivers, and I want to submit a Medicaid/CHIP waiver for Medicaid or CHIP 1135 waiver requests. You may choose both if you intend to submit both waiver request types. Also, if you had selected, I want to submit a general waiver, you can then refer to the emergency preparedness page located at the link displayed on the screen for instructions on submitting a general waiver. In the Medicaid ORAS CHIP State Contact Information section, complete the following fields: state official title, state agency name, state official first name, state official last name, this is likely the state Medicaid or CHIP director's contact information and will be used for official CMS communications. The state official suffix field is optional. You can enter a suffix as appropriate. Enter the state agency address. Address 2 is an optional field. You may leave it empty. And we're going to add the city and state, as well as a zip code. Coming further down, we enter a state agency email address, which you should type in the first time that you go in, and the second time you go in, you'll be able to select from a drop-down like I did. Okay, moving to the next section. Section 3 is how you describe your 1135 Medicaid waiver or flexibility request. First of all, we're going to select a waiver request type. And the description field is automatically populated with the regulation according to the request type that you select. If you have additional requests, you can select the Add Another Waiver Request link, and it will enable the Request Number 2 dialog. A new set of waiver and flexibility fields will display, and you can enter a new request. You can keep repeating this process until all of your requests are submitted. When you're complete, select the Submit button. Should you have a waiver request of a type that is not listed in the drop-down, and there are quite a few here, but if you don't see it here, you can select this checkbox that says, click here if you do not see your waiver request type. You can enter your request type in this text box. If a new waiver and flexibility request type is added, you'll need to add a description of that waiver request in the description of waiver request field. And of course, you can type to the applicable regulation in this required field. Select the Submit button to formally submit your request so that CMS can begin processing your submission. A confirmation message appears with your case number or numbers. If you submitted both a general waiver and a Medicaid CHIP waiver request, there will be two case numbers, one for the general waiver and the other for the Medicaid CHIP waiver. You should respond to the confirmation email if you have any follow-up questions and use the case numbers to facilitate any follow-up action or communication with CMS. If you do not receive an email notification, check your spam folder. Thank you for viewing the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid's 1135 Medicaid and CHIP waiver request form video.